I think this is the third video on the Caddy. I've nearly finished the carpeting. I'll come back to that when I've done a few finishing touches, but you can hardly see that. The door rubber's got to go on there, but yeah, come back to that. So the side sections here for infilling, tidy up the edges there, basically using the plastic board that's a factory. Yeah, so I'll cut up here. Obviously you've got to tidy it once it's done. Use a round tail or a normal file to take these edges off. And I'll go up to just as it starts to bend, just there, because, and actually as you come from the back here, you need to go to there, because you can see from this side, and I've made this mistake, if you go across there, you're not including this section that you need. So from the front you'll come down to here, and then you need to go across to there, which is where you've cut up from here. So again, straight up the edge there, 2 or 3 mil away until you're just on the bend. And then on this side down to the brake. Turn it the other way, and you're basically going to have cuts to sort of there and there. Then you go across here, and that'll include this section here. Otherwise, if you go there, you end up cutting this. Not a major drama, because you can still carpet over it, cut this, it'll work, but so if you're doing 2 cuts there. I'll just use a battery operated jig with the plate off, gives you more guidance. You should end up with something resembling that, which is it's for the other side over there. Again, I can hardly see it. That edge there will need tidying. I need to come in across there, tidy up that edge against here, and then carpet. Same on the other side. Just gives you a nice neat edge on the front section there. You don't have to do anything else, actually. That's it. Just put 2 of these on, and it gets it yeah, good edge, good neat finish. And ending up with the section trimmed up. Actually, put it on the floor. So there, that's the edge. Basically, when that's off, I'll go over it again to get a bit closer with the jig all the way around. And use a rat tail file across there, take the worst of it off, and then just for the finish, I'll just go across with a blade. Takes little bits off here and there, and gets it nice and flush and gives a flat edge. That bit there, you've got to watch you don't go too close. You can go through. I did just there, but that's not a problem. It's all going to be carpeted. I'll just put that in situ in the van now, and then back again when it's carpeted. That basically goes in its original position when it's carpeted. If you leave these holes here, you're then going, actually it needs to go that way a bit, but you get the point. Actually, yeah, that's in place. You can imagine that carpeted, it goes, follows on from the side here to the roof, which I think will come to here. What I'll do is put something over this section then, and you've got rid of everything that takes it away from factory. So yeah, I'll cut back to this when this is carpeted. And that's the section in. It literally clips into the place exactly where it would be. So I'll do the same to the other side, and then do the two roof sections, carpet the two roof sections, and put those on after I've put the foil on as a bit of insulation. And that's the second left hand section in. So it comes from the bottom there to the top, covering everything up. There's a switch. The black dot in the centre there, that's a switch for the rear lights. I'm keeping the original centre light. Comes on when the doors open, switchable. I'll put an LED little strip bulb in that. The ones that are in a yellow light are pretty useless. I've extended this wire out for the back light, which will be probably roof fixed, kind of just before the back. I've got the right hand light there, left hand LED. I think that's about it. And now I'm going to put the foil on the roof for a bit of insulation, carpet the original panels, put those back on. That's the insulation. Go behind the top sections there and up to here. The panelling comes up to just past that. Got that on both sides. So getting there slowly. I've got the fire extinguisher in at the back there, all of the lights in, left, right. This one's slightly staggered for more light in the centre, and one at the back here. They're switchable from the little rocker switch on the side there. I've put a piece across here. These end sections have been done. Centre section there, the original VW light in the middle there. I'll just push that in for now. I've got to take that out and put a LED light in there. The back is all done. The rear doors done. Yeah, all I've got to do with these now is this bit of edge trim there. Leaving them clear glass gives you the option of putting an insert in there. You can put suckers on that and stick it of an evening, or even curtains. Gives better options than limo tint in it. So yeah, just the side doors now to carpet. The upper sections, the lower sections are covered by the shutter rubber, and the trim on the back and a tidy. You normally get these little tiny bits of overspray with the glue, but I've found tar and glue remover removes these. I don't know how I got that there, but I did. Tar and glue remover gets it off straight away and doesn't leave any mess, or it doesn't affect the carpet at all, which is we should have known that a few years ago. Okay, next. Okay, getting there. That's all of the interior carpeted. Fire extinguisher fitted, lights in, side doors just done, roof done. The curtain bar is in. I need to see that from the other end, and the back doors. Move to the side doors, do a shot from there. Still a load of tidying up to do. I can see where I've left a bit of glue on the glass there. This little bit of edge showing there, I'll just black that out. I think this door's got a little bit of it. The curtain bar is in. It's just a 6mm bar, metal, 2 holes. Oversize it, bend it, put it in. The 2 she mags will be going over there, draping down. I've measured that, and that's exactly 1 metre to the floor, which they are. They'll hang pretty much to the top of the body there. Just getting those sewn over so they can be pulled back. Some ties there this side of the seat belts. So that gives a really nice finish on the back doors. Again, put something over those in the inner section of a nice, or for security, or even curtains. I think I'd go down the route of a bar across the top, or even here, just slide over some curtains. Got the angle alloy to go across here, and I'll maybe bring it across there as well, give it a good finish. That's the next. Yeah, so almost done. Again, you can see just a tiny little bit of the white there. I think I'll just black that out. Carpet snagging, just bits. So yeah, and infill this. Yeah, not far to go, so I'll do the alloy next. I think that's it for the interior. The shoe mags, I want to get them back when they've been sewn. Cleaning, basically, yeah. Yeah, give it a bloody good clean. Okay, that's it for this one. The rest will be in the next video. Obviously, the light switch there. The light switch is at the top, just after this light on the lighter grey. This one here will be fitted with an LED, so when you turn those off, you've still got this. Nice little bit of edge trim there. All done for now. So until next time, whatever you're doing or whatever you're thinking of doing,